Okay, so we're gonna start our tour. This is the front door, just so you can see I've already stepped into the house. And here is the area to where you can see it's a nice quiet street, just to show you everything. Now we come inside. There is the stairs with those weird old pink thing. We do have the dining right off to the side. The dining room is nice and big. We're gonna finish the first floor and then we'll go upstairs. And they're leaving a chandelier and not all the lights work in this house, I just want to point out. But the next room is the kitchen that you saw. You do have the garage, which is 2 doors and it's pretty big. Just to give you a heads up, there is no oven and they've put in this extra cabinetry. This is an interesting, it's ceramic tile and you know what the floor is. But the ceiling is not bad in here. You can see here would be the oven. It's a little bit of a tight squeeze, at least from me. You can see the kitchen. You can see the cabinets. You can see a nice breakfast nook to where you could definitely put a table. The flooring is a little thing here. But the ceiling, I don't know if you can see the ceiling. I'm trying to flip it, but you can see it's pretty good, and I do like the openness of this house. It just needs some love. At one point, I think they had wallpaper here because I'm feeling it and touching it. And then this room, which would be obviously where the living area, you have your nice fireplace, weird pink. I do want to point out the ceiling does have some issues. Just to show you, we are walking into the sunroom, which is bright. That's nice. The flooring has got to go. That's busted. That's weird to be busted. You can see you do have nice brick stairs to go down. Lighting. Okay, somebody was clearly sleeping here, at least on this rug, and I guess it's warm by the fireplace. Okay, we're gonna go upstairs. Oh, and then this is your sitting room, to where again you have this brightness of the day, which is nice, right? And then we're gonna go up the stairs. You have the curly banister. You could darken up this wood and make it more dark, I guess, but at least clean and keep the dark wood. But you do have this carpet in the middle as well, which then runs up the stairs. It is a thick carpet. It's not a thin carpet, so they spend money on this thin carpet, even though it's needs cleaning. Okay, we've come upstairs. I'm looking at the ceiling. I'm not going in the thing, but we're gonna go over here now. The master bedroom. The master bedroom does have a closet in here. You saw me. It does have a big openness, but the light is missing in here. You can see the small closet in here, but don't despair. I'm pretty sure there's a closet in the bathroom. Okay, so then we come into the bathroom. You can see the skylight, which is a nice feature. So you're getting light even though the lights do not work. You have the darkness. Hi, me. There's the black oven. Then you have this, your shower, and your bathroom. There's one bedroom upstairs. You do have a bigger closet in here, just so you can see. And you also have behind these doors a linen closet to where you can put your towels and stuff. So you have that. And I do like the fact that it's like a double door thing. I'm just turning this off as I'm leaving. Okay, now that's one bedroom. Back in the hallway where you have a pantry. You have the second bathroom upstairs, which this flooring is not bad. It's, you know, it's gray. It's just it's an older tub. The ceiling does have that spot right there. The glass is missing. Toilet looks decent. The cabinetry is interesting. Okay, second bedroom, blue bedroom. The ceiling is not bad. It's got that pink. that thing. I don't know why that door is closing on its own. That's okay. So anyway, we have the blue room. You have the wedding dress that was left over. I don't know if you inherit the wedding dress, that I don't know. You can see the door, the wall though is broken. Just want to point that out. Now we're going to the next room, which is another bedroom. So you have this 3-bedroom. This, I do like the shelving up there. This was clearly a girl's room with all that glitter on the roof. The carpet is yucky, to be honest, and you have that blue that they chose. And then you have clearly a former kid's room, and this closet in this room is really not that bad. It's pretty big, actually. So that's 3 bedrooms, and then this, I'm gonna guess, is the bonus room. And then we're gonna, oh, lights work, perfect. You have a study nook right there, which is nice. You have book space galore. You have your laundry room with some cabinets, which is nice. And an ironing board that's built in. Okay, you have another study nook. You have a little corner to put whatever you want in that corner. The flooring is, again, my biggest question with this is this flooring. You have a closet, which I guess technically makes this as a bedroom. So you could use it as a bedroom if you need to, or you would make this into a bonus room. That shelving is a little, that at least one right there is bent. Anyway, so that is a tour of the house. I'm just going to quickly end over here by, it is nice that you have this nice openness of the area, you know? Not all houses have this openness. And with the right love, this house could be nice. So anyway, I just want to quickly give you the tour. Bye.